Hello, science lovers. In today's Learn Science and Chemistry podcast, we are going to discuss about 10 interesting facts about hydrogen along with physical and chemical properties of hydrogen. So, let's start. This podcast is brought to you by www.chemistrynotesinfo.com. So, first interesting fact about hydrogen is that hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe. Hydrogen making up about 75% of universe elemental mass. Second interesting fact is that hydrogen is the lightest element on the periodic table with an atomic number of 1. Its atomic weight is approximately 1.008 atomic mass units. Third interesting fact is that in its purest gaseous form, hydrogen is colorless, odorless, tasteless, and it is highly flammable when mixed with oxygen. Fourth interesting fact about hydrogen is that hydrogen is generally considered as a clean and sustainable fuel. When hydrogen burns, it produces only water vapors as byproduct, which makes it an environmentally friendly source of the energy. Many big countries like US, UK and India it starts utilizing hydrogen as fuel in the real world. Fifth interesting fact is that hydrogen has 3 isotopes: protium, deuterium and tritium. Deuterium is widely used in nuclear fusion reactions and tritium is radioactive and used in some of the nuclear applications. These hydrogen isotopes are very important in the field of nuclear chemistry. Sixth interesting facts about hydrogen is that hydrogen is known for its ability to form hydrogen bonds with other atoms, especially with oxygen and nitrogen. These bonds are crucial in many biological processes and the structure of water. Seventh interesting fact is that in stars, including our sun, hydrogen undergoes nuclear fusion reaction to form helium. This nuclear fusion reactions releases a tremendous amount of energy. This energy released during reaction is the source of the sun's energy. Eighth interesting fact about hydrogen is that at very low temperature, around minus 253 degrees Celsius, hydrogen achieves its liquid state. Liquid hydrogen is also used as rocket fuel due to its high energy density. Ninth interesting fact is that storing hydrogen safely and efficiently is a very challenging task. It can be stored as a gaseous, liquid or in solid materials. Scientists are working on various technology development for hydrogen storage. 10th interesting fact about hydrogen is that hydrogen is used in various chemical industries. For example, hydrogen is used in industries for the production of ammonia for fertilizers, oil refining industries, and as a reducing agent in metal production industries. Friends, now we are going to discuss about chemical and physical properties of hydrogen. So, first, chemical properties of hydrogen. So, symbol of hydrogen is H and its atomic number is 1 and its atomic weight is 1.008 008 AMU and its electronic configuration is 1s1. Isotopes of hydrogen are protium, deuterium and tritium. Radioactivity. Hydrogen is highly reactive, forms compound with many elements. Combustion products. Water H2O, when burned in the presence of oxygen, is formed as a byproduct when hydrogen burns. Physical properties of hydrogen. State at standard condition. So, hydrogen is colorless gas at standard conditions. Hydrogen have melting point of about minus 259.16 degrees Celsius and have boiling point of about minus 252.87 degrees Celsius. Hydrogen have density at 0 degrees Celsius 1 atmospheric pressure of about 0.0899 gram per liter. Hydrogen have molar mass of about 2.01588 gram per mole. Hydrogen can form hydrogen bonds with other elements. Hydrogen is odorless, tasteless, colorless. And hydrogen have flammability of very high because hydrogen is highly flammable when mixed with oxygen. Hydrogen is slightly soluble in water. So friends, today we learn in this podcast about interesting facts of hydrogen along with physical and chemical properties of hydrogen. If you want notes of this podcast, find the link in the description of this podcast, and you can also learn about many interesting facts of science at our website www.chemistrynotesinfo.com, whose link is given in the description of this podcast. Thank you to listening this podcast. This podcast is brought to you by www.chemistrynotesinfo.com. I'm your host Jitendra Singh Sandhu. Let's meet in our next podcast with more interesting facts and knowledge. Thank you to listening this podcast.